Greetings to one and all. Welcome back to the session. Yes. So in the previous video, we have learned about the ecosystem and about various terminology like population, producers, consumers, decomposers, what is a food chain and what is a food web. So here in this video, we are going to learn about various types of ecosystem. So what are there are majorly four types of ecosystem. The first one is grassland ecosystem, aquatic ecosystem, forest ecosystem, and desert ecosystem. So first one is grassland ecosystem. Yes. So once again, let us recollect what is an ecosystem is. An ecosystem is a biological environment consisting of all the living organisms or biotic component in a particular area and the non-living or abiotic components such as air, soil, water and sunlight with which the organisms interact. So simply I can define in a single sentence the interaction or existence between a living and non-living things, which is called as an ecosystem. That is otherwise called as a biotic and abiotic. So ecosystem, it consists of both biotic and abiotic factors. What biotic factors does comprises of and what abiotic factors? In fact, I have explained you in my previous video, but still let us have a glance over it. So biotic, sunlight, temperature, precipitation, water or moisture, soil or chemical content. In case of abiotic, primary producer, herbivorous, carnivorous, omnivorous, and detrivorous. Yes. What are the various types of ecosystem? Actually, mainly it has been bifurcated into two types. The first one is natural ecosystem. Second one is artificial ecosystem. So in case of natural ecosystem, further divided into four types, which we are going to learn in this video: forest, grassland, aquatic, and desert ecosystems. These are all naturally occurring. In case of artificial, we have aquatic, microbial, and terrestrial. Yes. So coming to the first one, forest ecosystem. So here you are going to observe. See, this is the heavy or high rainfall. Large number of organisms of flora and fauna are going to be exist here. Highly diverse population and stability of ecosystem is also very much sensitive. What are the different types of forests? So if you are going to see that there are some dense forests like Sri Salem, which we are not giving any watering session like that, like drip irrigation or something like that. So there are small things like Chitturu, or where some places the you can say the sandalwood can be grown, where some grasses that wood which can be used for our furniture like rosewood, teak trees and all these can be grown. So based upon this, there are various types of forests. The first one is tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, temperature evergreen forest, temperature deciduous forest, and taiga. So what are the various features of forest ecosystem? So forest canopy, forest floor, and forest soil. What are the functions of forest ecosystem? Watershed protection, atmospheric regulation, soil erosion control, wind erosion control. So these are the various functions of the forest ecosystem. Hence, it is highly essential to maintain the forest ecosystem to prevent all these things. Otherwise, we may suffer from this erosion or corrosion or whatever the you can say disadvantages might be. Next one is desert ecosystem. So desert ecosystem is high temperature, intense sunlight and low water. Flora and fauna are very poorly developed and scarce because the main reason behind it is because of the atmospheric conditions. Next, organisms are xeric adaptive and scarcely populated. So here if you see somewhere else, maybe one tree, that tree also which is not at all in the greenery, some organisms or creatures, very small insects or some different types which they can survive only for those atmospheric conditions are going to occur in case of desert ecosystem. Next. What are the types of deserts? Sand deserts, stony, rock, plateau, mountain, and cold deserts. So one by one, I am going to show you with the help of the pictures so that you will have clear idea about the various types of deserts. Rock, stony, plateau, mountain, cold desert. Yes. What are the features? So the main features which depend on this are which directly depend or influence the desert ecosystem or rainfall, temperature, soil, light, plants and animals are adapted to live in extremities. Functions are solar energy and mineral resources. So this till here we have learned about forest ecosystem, its types and what are the, and its types based upon the influence or dependent on atmospheric or climatic conditions. So here in this we are supposed to learn about grassland ecosystem. So these are the main features of this grassland ecosystem. Marginal rainfall, vegetation is dominated by grasses, unimproved wild plant communities, and densely populated. What are the various types? Tropical grassland, temperature grassland or temperate grassland. Some others are also will be there. What are the main features? Temperature, precipitation, humidity, topography, and an adaptive plants and animals. Of course, this one I have discussed. Function of grassland ecosystem. Grassland provide food. Grasslands are breeding areas. They are of human habitat. So first one, desert, first one, sorry, forest ecosystem, second one, grassland, and here third one, we are going to learn about aquatic ecosystem. So here in this aquatic ecosystem, low temperature and sunlight, soil and vegetation, flora and fauna had adapted and densely populated. What are the various types? Ocean, lotic, lentic, and wetland. What are the features of aquatic ecosystem? Light and temperature, current, chemistry. So chemistry here in the sense, so it depends upon many other factors like not only meant for reactions but also various biological factors, that enzymatic action and their digestive system, all virology, everything can be included in this chemistry part. Next, competitive organism. What are the functions? Recycles nutrients, purify water, responsible for proper rainfall, attenuate floods, recharge groundwater. Yes, so thank you. So in the next session, we are going to learn about various types of food chains and food webs. So thank you all.